Hey guys, it's Morgan Yates. Is a video that you guys have been requesting for like a year and a half now. I haven't done one of these in so long, which is the return of a capsule wardrobe video, which I used to do all the time, like seasonally. But then I kind of ran out of ideas because I was kind of just wearing the same stuff, even though it was like the next year. So if you're new to the concept of a capsule wardrobe video, basically what we're doing here today is showing you how to make the maximum number of outfits you can make with 10 items, and that is including shoes. And I believe I have 3 pairs of shoes tossed in here. So that's only 7 clothing items, hoping for like 25 plus outfits out of this. So this is wonderful if you guys are going on a trip. I'm always getting questions about how to pack in a carry-on. Hopefully this will give you some new ideas. Nothing like, this isn't groundbreaking information. These are pretty much all just like basic items, and we're doing a little shuffle around. If you guys like this video and you want to see one once we get into fall, please let me know. You can find all 10 of the following items, or if they're an item I've had for a long time, I will link a very similar one in the description box so that you can shop around if you decide that you want any of these. So that is it, and we're gonna go ahead and get into the summer capsule wardrobe. Okay, so the items for this capsule wardrobe are as follows. As you can tell, we have quite the neutral color scheme because that's what I wear most of, and I feel like you can match a lot of things together when you're wearing neutrals. For our 3 pairs of shoes, first I just have this pair of white Steve Madden slip-ons. Vans or similar. White ones definitely get messy. As you can kind of see, I could stand to repurchase some. For a nice summery sandal option, I just have these from Steve Madden. These are also super comfy to be like flat sandals. They have a good amount of cushion going on. And then lastly, I just have a pair of black Steve Madden open toe, like strap around the ankle heels for dressing up some outfits. So yeah, if you're going on a trip, I feel like having a like sneaker or casual slip-on item, a sandal, and a heel can usually cover all your bases for outfits and occasions. Next up, for actual clothing items, first I'm a big graphic tee wearer, so I have this cropped Aerosmith tee. Since high-waisted items are sewn and everything I'm showing in this video is going to be high-waisted, I thought a cropped tee would be best. Next, capitalizing on the leopard trend, I have this high-waisted leopard midi skirt. Next, I just have this light wash denim mini skirt. I have a black bodysuit. This is from Princess Polly. Love their bodysuits. For a plainer light color item, I just have a white cropped t-shirt from Topshop. And then lastly, for a jean option, I have this light like charcoal gray black pair of straight-legged cropped jeans. So not a skinny jean, a little roomier. Let's go ahead and get into the outfits.
comment below which outfit was your favorite.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments. Hope you're all having a wonderful summer so far. That is it. I will see all of you guys in my next video.